Ever wondered how to make your soil more nutrient-dense? Today, we're delving into the world of composting, a natural, efficient method for enriching your soil, boosting plant health, and reducing waste. A must-know for any green thumb. Stay tuned as we break down the composting process into clear, easy-to-follow steps. So, what exactly is composting? It's a natural process where organic material breaks down into a nutrient-rich soil conditioner. This black gold is teeming with life, nourishing your plants and improving soil structure. Composting also reduces landfill waste, making it a win for you and the environment. The key ingredients for compost are greens for nitrogen, browns for carbon, water for moisture, and air for oxygen. With these 4 ingredients, you can start creating your compost pile. Ready to start your compost journey? Here's how. First, choose a sunny or partially shaded spot in your garden. Begin by layering brown materials like leaves or straw for carbon. Then add green materials like vegetable peels for nitrogen. Continue this layering process until your pile is about 3 feet high. Keep your compost moist but not wet, and ensure it gets plenty of air. Turn it every few weeks to help it decompose evenly. Remember, composting is not an exact science, so don't worry if your pile is not perfect. Now that you have your compost pile, how do you keep it thriving? The key is turning your compost pile regularly. This stirs up the microbes, speeding up the decomposition process, and prevents any unwanted odors. But what does a healthy compost pile look like? It should have a pleasant, earthy smell, a crumbly texture, and a dark brown color, similar to fertile garden soil. With patience and a little effort, you'll soon have rich, nutrient-dense compost for your garden. Composting is a gardener's secret weapon for a lush, productive garden. Remember, start small, use a good mix of green and brown materials, turn your pile regularly, and be patient. Allow composting to transform your garden. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy composting!